No Limit is a horse that everyone wants to ride. He's uncomplicated, he has very good movement, and he has already proven himself in the major competitions. In the very imposing environment of the World Breeding Dressage Championships for young horses, the chestnut advanced to the final, in which he finished among the top. Next, he won the pre-selection of the Subli Cup, and in the final he placed third in the final standings. That was no small competition, as Jumping Amsterdam was the venue for the Subli Cup final, where No Limit achieved a top score of more than 84%. No Limit is a product of the Geniaal Florestan I Donnerhall combination.